Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your account is signed in and that calendar sync is enabled. This prevents duplicate entries. Once done, choose your default view, day, week, or month, so you see the right scope immediately. Make sure to set your time zone, default event duration, and working hours. Doing so ensures new events land at the correct times. You'll save time and avoid misscheduled meetings if these basics are correct before creating events. Now create an event. Tap Quick Add and enter a clear title, time, location, and attendees so everyone sees context. Once created, expand it and add reminders, a detailed description, attachments, and repeat rules to automate recurring items. Then customize visibility and color coding to prioritize at a glance, and link conferencing tools so joining is one click. As you work, click Save and check attendee availability. This avoids conflicts and makes scheduling predictable across devices and teams. Finish by sharing calendars or publishing availability so collaborators can book time without back and forth. Grant appropriate permissions rather than broad access. Once shared, sync settings across devices and confirm read/write permissions on mobile and desktop to maintain consistency. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache, force a resync, and verify server status. Most problems resolve quickly that way. If persistent, revoke and reauthorize the account to refresh tokens and restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.